Good morning guys, hope that you're doing well. I just wanted to show you guys how easily you can make $161 with clickbank. All you need to do is go to clickbank.com, open up an account. Once you open up an account, this is what it will look like. Now this account of mine is an old account. I don't really use it much, but I thought I'd just show you guys what to do. So once you get to clickbank, you go to marketplace, right? On marketplace, you're going to check to your left. Down here there's a variety of products and services that you can choose to promote. I'll just say let's go with health and fitness for today's example. So once you click on health and fitness, there's going to be a wide array of products that you can actually start promoting and earning some money. So let's see, we're looking at, okay, this one as an example. Look at the first one. If you were to promote this on your social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even TikTok account, you could easily make $135. Scroll it down there, you can, on the Explore, you can make $149, $120, $122. So it just takes one sale for you guys to make over $100 a day, right? So what you need to do is, let's just say you want to promote this one. You're going to go click promote. Over here, that is your username that will be given to you by clickbank. But over here you put in your tracking ID. So if I want to post on Facebook or on YouTube, I'm going to put in Facebook groups. This way it will allow me to keep track of things. So I'm going to say ecomlander or default, whichever one. So now it will generate ARP link. Now this ARP link is what I'll be using in order to promote it. But instead of using this long link and posting it all over, which looks a bit ugly, I'm going to go to Bitly. Now bitly.com, it's basically a platform that allows you to shrink or shorten links. So you can shorten the link, make it neat, and then post it wherever. Alright, so let's just see quickly. We're going to go, this is what Bitly looks like. Click on create. You can post your little link over there. Alright. Click on that button there. Now it will actually generate a new link for you. Now that is a new link. This link over here you can take. You can go over to your Facebook as an example. Let's just see if I try to do this one. It's just an example. Yeah. For example purposes, I wanted to show you guys. So what you could do now is you can literally go and inbox people or